Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we're gonna be doing a first impressions on our LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation. And I got two. I'm so excited and want to do this foundation for a while now. I'm surprised I haven't. It retails for $8.99 at the drugstore, so that's not bad at all, okay? So, like I said in my last video, my makeup collection, I will post in the info cards above so you can check that out. Make sure you check that out, all right? Because it's an awesome video. Let me stop because I can't sing. But anyways, so I got this one and it obviously looked a little too dark, as you see. So I got medium beige, hoping this will be perfect. If not, we can maybe mix the two. We'll see. We'll shade them on my face. We'll do the little strip. So before we get into this video, I know you guys are sitting there like, damn girl, what is going on with your nails, right? I know, look at them, they're a hot mess, right? So yeah, I was cooking all day on Thanksgiving, which was yesterday. The day before that I was working, and I get paid on Fridays, which is today. So, you know, your girl works at Dunkin' Donuts, so I don't know why you expect more from me. So yeah, I will be getting a fill tomorrow because I didn't have time today and I got paid today, so yeah. By the time I was done with everything, no. So, but I had to film. Of course, I have to be consistent. You guys have to see me try this foundation, and I have to try this because I'm so excited. And I'm gonna be filming another video after this. Can't tell you, you gotta just wait and find out. I'm so excited on that video. I've been wanting to do it for a while now. Just never got around to doing it, but I'm doing it. So if you guys can get past these nails, and you know, past that I haven't got them done, and they look a mess and all that jazz, keep watching this video. And if you're still here already, even though it's been about a minute, smash that like button, give me a good thumbs up, or hit that subscribe button. No, do both, not or, do both. Hit that subscribe button right next to it, and the bell on the side, so you get notifications from moi. All right, but without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So I'm gonna use my one heck of a blot. No, I'm not, because I said to you guys we're gonna swatch these and try them out. So I'm not gonna put primer on first. We're already moisturized. So let's pop these babies off. And let's see. So I'm just gonna put a drop on the back of my hands. Ooh, that looks dark. Okay, let's see. And we're gonna swatch the side of our face. No. Definitely too dark. Okay, so just like I assumed, soft honey's too dark. Now let's do our LA Girl medium beige. Okay, it looks a little better, a lot better. Let's just watch it. You can see it on my face. Oh yeah, let's put it on both sides. Why not? So I think we have a winner with medium beige. So let's wipe that off. That's completely wiped off. Now we're gonna get into our primer, which is gonna be the one heck of a blot Soap and Glory primer. I'm gonna use this because I've been using this for a while now, and I've come to the conclusion I love it and it's great. So why not use it to do a first impressions? I'm in a really good mood. I don't know why, because the start of my day was absolutely, utterly horrible. Had a really bad day, bad morning, found out some bad news. Wasn't happy. Cried a little bit, took a nap, and then here I am. Here with you. Filming a nice video for you guys. Kind of want to do a story time, but it's not the time. Not yet. Not yet. You know, it's driving me nuts without these nails, okay? It looks so bad. Like, I am such a good mood, man. I don't know why, because like I said, it was a bad morning. I don't know, when I film, I get in a good mood sometimes. Sometimes I'm like, so next we're gonna be doing. But I feel goofy today, so let's just go with it, right? All right, so we're gonna let that dry in for a minute. Pat it in. guess me looking here, I got a little mirror here and a little viewfinder here, a little mirror here, and just mirrors everywhere, you know? We gotta look at ourselves while we slay this face, right? All right, so like I said, it's LA Girl Pro Matte in the shade medium beige. I'm gonna pump out a little bit out. I gotta stop pumping now. So I'm gonna spray I already wet my sponge, but I feel like it's a little dry now. So I'm just gonna spray a little bit on the outside with some setting spray. I mean, it's still big puffy, so we're still good. All right. Can you guys, in the comments below, leave a setting spray that I should try? Because I gotta step up my setting spray game, my primer game, and my liquid lipsticks. But I did get some new products today, and I got 2 liquid lipsticks. So yeah, my birthday's coming up, so I am definitely gonna begin some makeup. And if you wanna send me makeup, that'd be great. No, I'm just kidding. But I'm not kidding. But I am kidding. Anyways, so yeah, let me know in the comments below what setting sprays you suggest for me. So we're gonna go right in, and I'm gonna just use my mirror. And I wanna put it there on the face. Oh yeah, so we're gonna do half with a sponge and half with a brush. But y'all know me, I always end up finishing off with this. But I at least tried the brush. Don't come for me, I tried the brush, okay? Okay. I almost got the eyebrow. So yeah, medium beige, perfecto. I feel like it oxidizes really quick because I feel like it's kind of orange, but we'll see when we go down my neck what happens. Ooh, it does dry quick. Huh, really quick. So I gotta work fast with it. Probably should have took my earrings off, huh? So yeah, I don't want to be at this. Told you guys I'm goofy today. Wow, it pulls a little bit though. It's pulling. Well, that's what concealer is for. Okay, so kind of feel like it's a little bit dark. I mean, not really. It kind of blends in a little bit. But yeah, I feel like for winter, like this would be my summer color. This one is just, oh, way too dark. I feel like this will be orange if I put it on. I feel like it definitely oxidizes. It does go on full coverage. It is very matte. It's already dry. Like, it's dry. Completely dry. It dries very quick. It does oxidize a little bit. It is a little darker after you put it on. But we're gonna keep going. I got like foundation all over my nose ring. I hate that. All right, so we're gonna do the other side with a brush. And I mean, do I look orange? Really good. Well, let's keep going. So yeah, let's try it. All right, so I feel like it looks a little bit darker than what it really looks like because it does match. Like I don't have a mask, so I like it. I'm looking at my mirror right here. See, with a brush, I would prefer like probably one of these, like a buffer, like buff it in. Because this puts it on great, but this I feel like would blend it better. Actually not bad. So this is just basically on, this video is just basically on first person on this. So like I said, this is basically a first impression on this. Let me just zoom in so you guys can see it real quick. See, with the camera closer up, it doesn't look so bad. But with my lighting, it looks like, whoa. See? It don't look bad. All right, so I'm gonna finish the rest of this face off camera and I'll be right back with the completed look for you to see and make your final thoughts. All right, so we're back with the completed look. I love it. So, let's take a look. So it is, as it claims, it is a matte foundation. It went on really matte. It does dry very quickly, so you would have to really work with it quickly. You wouldn't want to dot this all over your face and then work with it. You want to dip your brush in or dip your beauty blender, your sponge, whatever tool you're using, dip it in and just work with it. Because if you literally put the dots or put it on and then blend, I mean, teach his own, do whatever you like, but my suggestion, I wouldn't do that because it dries really, 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 really quickly. So this is a foundation you really gotta work with fast, as are with other foundations. So if you've gotten a foundation like this before, I'm sure you already know. So just work very quickly with it. But it claims to be medium to full coverage, smooth long wear, suede finish. So it is full coverage. It is definitely full coverage. It is buildable as well, so that's good. So you can build it, it's medium, and you can build it all the way up to full coverage, which is very accurate. I didn't put any eyeliner, any mascara on, due to the fact it is about 10:40 right now. So I'm gonna wipe all this off, and I'm going to watch a movie and go to bed. Actually, I'm about to eat McDonald's with my husband because he's about to get out of work, so we're gonna have some Mickey D's, and then we're gonna watch a movie and call it a night because I have to be up early to film some more videos for you guys. So yeah, like I said, I like the foundation. It's really great. I'm definitely gonna use this more often, and yeah, it looks good. So very simple look, very simple. Got some highlighter going, some bronzer, and a new liquid lippy that you didn't see in my collection because I just got today, the Stay Matte by Rimmel. This stuff is good. I like the color. It is in the shade Be My Baby, and I use that with, of course, my famous NYX suede shoes, and I love it. So yeah, let's. Yeah. That is this foundation, and I love it. It looks really good, and yeah, I definitely recommend you to get it. I don't know, well, I can't recommend you to get it yet because, like I said, it's my first time using it. So far, so good. I am gonna wear it until I'm actually about to go to bed, so probably for another 2-3 more hours. And I am gonna use this for like another week or two and continue using it, and I will do an updated review on this in the future to let you guys know if it's a go or if it's a no. All right, so again, thanks for tuning into my channel. And don't forget to hit the subscription box below, click the subscribe button, make sure to click the bell right next to it. That's just let you know when I post new videos. So hit that post notifications right next to the subscribe button, all right? Click that bell, click it, click it, click it, click it. It'll just let you know when I post new videos, all right? Again, thanks for tuning in. I love you guys all so much. Thanks for your support. Help me reach my mark and hit my I thought my son was next to me. My 1,000 subscriber mark by my birthday, which is next week, November 29th, and it's on Thursday. You guys are doing very well. I did hit 13 new subscribers yesterday, and that's amazing for me, especially where I have such a low count. I do have 67 subscribers, but I had 49, 50 before that. So we've been doing pretty good. In the last 28 days, I have plus 13, so that's good for me. But yeah, please help me reach my mark. Again, thanks for tuning in. I love you guys. Thanks. See you on the next one. Bye.